Today I'm going to show you guys how to season oxtail for cooking. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to season some oxtail. From my original oxtail video that was made maybe about 5 years ago, folks are still confused about the steps to season oxtail. So today I'm going to break it down for you guys. Really easy, really simple, really quick, and show you guys how to properly season oxtail. So let's jump straight into it. Look how pretty this oxtail is. I already removed some of the excess fat, washed it with vinegar and lemon juice, and dried it a little bit, pat dry it with some paper towels. So this is what the oxtail is looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys in depth all the seasonings that I use. Right here we have some scallion or green onions. Then I have some green bell peppers chopped, fresh thyme, red bell peppers, onions, garlic, pimento seeds. Right here I have habanero. I usually use scotch bonnet, but I didn't get any this time. The half without the seeds is what I chopped up, and that's what I'm gonna use, but I just wanted to show you guys. So this is just a quick overview of everything that's already washed, chopped, and is ready to be added to the oxtail for seasoning. I'm gonna be using some browning, garlic salt, all-purpose seasoning, onion powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, and black pepper. The first thing that I like to do is add in some dry seasonings. So all the seasonings I just showed you earlier, I just basically combined it. So now I'm just adding all of that in. Once that's added in, I just go ahead and combine it, rub all that seasoning nicely into the oxtail. Once the seasonings is rubbed in, it's time to add some browning all over. Not a lot though, just that amount is perfect. Then rub it in. Once the browning is added in, it's time to add the scallion, onion, and all that good stuff. Added in the scallion, garlic and pimento seeds, fresh thyme, the red bell peppers, the green bell peppers, the onion, and the habanero pepper. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just combine everything all together to get the flavors all in. You want to go ahead and massage all of this into the meat. Let the flavors just soak into the oxtail. So here's the oxtail all seasoned and ready to be marinated in the refrigerator overnight. It smells really, really good right now. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see here on my channel. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching.